Sometimes the best things really do come in small packages. And this gambrel-style tiny home in Vermont proves exactly that. This is not just a cabin in the woods. It's a cozy, charming, and efficient country getaway. And it comes fully furnished, ready for you to step right in and start enjoying. Inside, the design is thoughtful from top to bottom. You'll find radiant floor heating to keep things warm in winter, on-demand hot water, a full bedroom on the main level, plus a guest sleeping loft upstairs with its own private bathroom. Every inch of this home has been planned to make the most of the space, without losing that warm, comfortable feeling. Step outside, and the property opens up to nearly 12 acres of beautiful Vermont land, a mix of open meadow and quiet wooded areas. It's the perfect balance of privacy and room to roam. There are 3 versatile outbuildings here too. One is insulated with a wood stove, making it an ideal workshop, hobby space, or even just a cozy hangout. And if you've got an RV or want extra options for guests, there's a dedicated septic connection and plenty of parking space for all your off-road and on-road vehicles. The yard is just as welcoming, with garden beds, walking paths, and plenty of spots to relax and take in the fresh country air. And when it's time to explore, you're just 1 mile from public access to Lake Carmi, where summers are filled with swimming, boating, and fishing. Come winter, you're a short drive, a little over 30 minutes, to Jay Peak Resort, one of Vermont's favorite ski destinations. So whether it's lakeside summers, snowy slopes, or crisp fall foliage, this place keeps you close to it all. If you've been searching for something different, a place that feels like a vacation but works perfectly as a full-time residence too, this is it. A tiny home with big character, set on land that gives you room to dream. Come see it for yourself and discover how special life can feel when simple, smart living meets Vermont.